Hi guys, I am finally making a video after 2 weeks, and the reason why I didn't make videos for 2 weeks is because Facebook unpublished few of my fan pages without any clear explanation, without any clear reason. They just said I broke Facebook fan page rules. And when I actually appealed and said I've read Facebook rules and policies, fan page rules and policies, and I cannot find anything on my fan pages that goes against Facebook rules, they closed the case. For them that was case closed, without explaining what post in particular was against Facebook fan page rules. What exactly did I do and how I break those rules and which rules. And I was angry because no explanation, they just unpublished the fan pages and I lost more than 1 million fans, which is insane. I mean, when cop stops you, he doesn't just write you a ticket saying you broke the law. No, he actually explained to you why he stopped you and why he is going to write you a ticket. You failed to stop on stop sign, you were over speeding or something else. And then he gives you a chance to defend yourself, and then he decides will he write you a ticket or not. But these fan pages, these companies, Facebook, YouTube, Google, whatever, they don't care. They just don't care. I mean, like they don't understand that we are the creators. We create content for their websites. I mean, without us, their platforms would fail because we create content that makes people stay on their websites. I mean, it's just insane. It's just insane. I understand that those companies, they created those websites. But like I said, we create content. We invested time, we invested work. Many of us invested money in those fan pages, channels, business pages or whatever. And those pages, channels or whatever, they do not just belong to Facebook, to YouTube, to Google or whatever. They belong to us too. Because like I said, we are the creators, we create content. I mean, it's just insane that we don't have any rights about this. They give you a chance to appeal, but actually it makes no use. Because I have a feeling that nobody actually review your appeal, they just send you some generic answer that you broke the rules and that's it. For them that was case closed. And this whole situation just reminded me why I always convert as much as I can people from my fan pages, from my YouTube channel, Instagram pages, Pinterest pages or Twitter profiles and so on into my mailing list. Because fan pages, Facebook groups, profiles, Instagram pages, YouTube channels, messenger lists, Twitter profiles, they do not belong to you, to me. They belong to Facebook, to YouTube, to Instagram, to Twitter, but not to you. On the other hand, mailing list belongs to you and nobody else. It is yours and you can do whatever you want with that mailing list. If you want, you can spam the hell out of your subscribers. I won't recommend that, but if you want, you can spam your subscribers. It's no use because then you won't get any visits to your website, you won't make any sales. But like I said, if you want, you can, because that mailing list belongs to you. And you can do whatever you want with that mailing list. If you don't like some mailing provider, you simply download your mailing list and move to another one. And that's it. So that is why you should always convert as much people as you can into your mailing list. I mean, when you look at these big guys on YouTube, like Kevin David, Franklin Hatchett, Sally Narduzzi, and so on, they all constantly, in almost every video, they try to convert as much people as they can into their mailing lists. Because they know that those YouTube channels doesn't belong to them. They belong to YouTube. And mailing lists belongs to them. So that is why you should always convert as much as you can people into your mailing list. So that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye.